In 1998, 15 years ago, the idea of Life Chronicles was born in Santa Barbara. And by 2003, when we had taped 65 families, I was asked to describe Life Chronicles.
In 1998, a very dear friend of mine was diagnosed with cancer, and when she was told that she had a short time to live and that she should get her affairs in order, like any friend, I wondered what could I do to help her children. And I realized I didn't want them to forget what a wonderful person she was, and I suggested that she sit in front of a camera and tell the children everything she'd like them to know for the rest of their lives. And it was shortly after that we realized this was something we could do for a lot of people, and that's how Life Chronicles began.
We have grown so much since then. With our mission to help families heal and connect by videotaping the life stories of an elderly family member or a seriously ill loved one, we have served 1,000 people in 165 cities across the United States, as well as in Canada and the UK. While many requests for services come by word of mouth or from people who have searched for us on the internet, now palliative care physicians and social workers at Dana-Farber Cancer Center at Harvard, the Kimmel Cancer Center at Johns Hopkins, the Stanford Cancer Center, and the National ALS Association call us to refer patients to Life Chronicles on a regular basis. These professionals understand the therapeutic value and peace of mind that our work brings to their patients. Researchers see our work as a resource, and educators see our archive as a way to incorporate real-life experience and values into education. From the very beginning, part of the vision of Life Chronicles was to profoundly impact the lives of student volunteers by inviting them to participate in our work.
What my daughter learned from you was something that I don't think anyone could actually have given to her unless she had those experiences with you. Kimmy was a videographer, and she must have been 16 or 17 years old. There was something when Kim heard about Life Chronicles that really struck a chord with her. I think she knew that it was going to be a little bit of a different experience than she might get with some of the other organizations that she'd volunteered with. And it was. It was first of all having that opportunity to work one-on-one with you. She learned a new skill, and to also have that chance to hear other people's stories. It was a terrific experience. So we are all grateful for everything that Life Chronicles has done.
Because so many of the families we serve are in financial crisis as well as health crisis, we do not charge for our services. That means we rely on the generosity and kindness of people like you so that we can provide what is truly priceless, a lasting legacy, rich in life experience, wisdom, and most of all, love. In 2010, the Kelly Fund was created in honor of a dying young mother who valued what a video can mean to a child who has lost a parent. Since then, we've taped 80 dying young parents, leaving 165 children under the age of 8 and as young as 10 months old. These children will remember not just the sight and sound of their parent, but also what it felt like to be in their presence and to be loved by their parent. For years, people have said to me, "This must be so hard. You must cry every day doing this work." But look at these people. They are laughing and loving each other. We have the privilege of being invited into their homes at a time when life has become all about what really matters, to be with the people you love and to be remembered. And we know that our efforts will preserve those memories to be re-experienced for years to come.